This is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
Yeehaw, homeboy.
State Highway Patrol, Dispatcher Kelly.
This is like a really impaired truck driver out here on the freeway. He's almost hit several people. I mean, he's all over the road.
So what's going on today? Why would somebody call in on your driving? You tell me. You look at that trailer door. You tell me what's wrong with that. How do you drive a truck down the road and you don't close the door? You don't come back and check it? All right, so I can smell alcohol coming from your breath. There you go. Place your palms together. Place you under arrest for an OVI today, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Good morning.
Yeah, I'm good.
Why are you parked here?
Yeah, I parked 3 hours.
Why did you park here? You understand English?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Why did you park here?
Yeah,
No good. I'm Officer Eddings, Arkansas Highway Police. I need your driver's license,
Yeah.
registration, and insurance for this truck. Is there anybody else in the truck?
Well,
Is there anybody else in the truck?
my company.
Your company. Okay, you don't understand English. Where's your logbook at?
Yeah, sir.
Put you some clothes on. Pants. Put your pants on.
This one? What?
Put your pants on. Pants. Put some pants on.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't understand English. Okay. What company do you work for?
My company, California.
Your company's called California?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't understand me. Okay. All right. All right. You see this sign?
Yeah, truck. Over.
What's that sign say?
Things. Must enter, right?
Do you tell me? What does it say?
Yeah.
Read. I need you to read that sign.
Yeah, with station. Next rate.
Okay, read it again.
Wait again.
Read it again.
Oh, trucks. Over 10. Must enter wait station next, right?
What is this word?
Tense.
Tense? No.
No?
No. What is it? What does that sign mean?
What's that mean? 10 things.
What does this sign mean?
Master enter. Master. With station.
Okay, so if you see this sign, what do you do?
Yeah, driver going. Yeah, driver going. Must.
Go where?
With station.
All trucks go? Or what's it say? What kind of trucks have to go to the way station?
With station. I don't know. Over 10.
Over 10 what?
Over 10 what?
Okay, all right, let's try another one. You don't get that one. All right, let's go down here and try another one. Let's see. Read that sign to me.
No parking.
What does that mean?
Yeah, here no parking.
What does it mean when it says no parking?
I don't know. Yeah, no billboard. No parking. Maybe Arkansas exit no parking.
Okay. So when you see this sign, what do you do?
No parking. What do you do? No parking.
Okay. Does that mean you can park your truck there?
Yeah, there's no parking. Yeah, I called my friend. My friend told
Read
me-
this sign to me.
Yeah, because no coming call.
What does that mean? That sign, read it to me.
What's me?
Okay.
No coming call.
All right, one more. What's that sign mean?
35?
What is that sign? Number 35. What is this sign?
Oh, 2 people. Maybe girl. Maybe woman.
What does it mean?
What do you mean?
Yeah. What does that sign mean?
Yeah, two people
Two people doing what?
walk.
They're walking?
Yeah, two people are walking.
Where?
I don't know where.
You don't know where? Okay. All right, that's good enough. You can go back to your truck and have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Doesn't say where.
He got the no parking sign right, but the rest of them he had no clue. So.
I wondered how y'all were grading that.
Yeah, the feds gave us some. They've selected, I think, like 35 signs or something that they use or that we have to use. We just picked 4 of them. They got to get 3 of the 4 right to pass the sign test. And then the other part, the speaking part, we just ask them general everyday questions. You know, like what they're hauling, where they pick it up, where they're taking it.
Yeah, if they can't understand.
Yeah, and he had no idea. Like he had trouble answering those questions, like where he was loaded, where he was taking it.
Yeah.
Asking him company questions, and if anybody else was in the truck with me, he kept saying California. I was like, California's in the truck with you? And he's like, yeah, California. I was like, oh, okay. So he's fixing to be put out of service.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.